Have you ever felt that initial burst of motivation to study only to see it fizzle out halfway through? It is a common challenge for many of us trying to build consistent study habits. But what if there was a simple yet powerful way to keep that motivation burning bright right from the start? The secret to building strong, lasting study habits lies in leveraging immediate rewards. By giving yourself a small, enjoyable treat immediately after completing a study session or task, you create a positive feedback loop that trains your brain to associate studying with pleasure and satisfaction. This makes it more likely that you will want to repeat the behavior. Our brains are naturally wired for reward. When we experience something positive after an action, a neurochemical called dopamine is released, reinforcing that action as a good thing to do. Immediate rewards tap into this fundamental biological mechanism, making the studying process less about delayed gratification and more about instant positive reinforcement. This helps overcome the natural tendency to procrastinate on tasks that do not offer quick returns. Now let's talk about putting this into practice. First, choose rewards that are genuinely appealing to you and that can be enjoyed quickly, ideally within 5 to 15 minutes. This immediate feedback is key. For example, after 45 minutes of focused work, you could allow yourself to watch one short YouTube video, listen to one favorite song, or enjoy a small piece of dark chocolate. It could also be a 5-minute break to stretch, stand up, or check your phone for a moment. Make sure the reward is not so distracting that it derails your next study block. Always keep the reward proportional to the task. A short burst of studying gets a small reward. Completing a difficult chapter might earn you a slightly longer break or a special snack. To maximize effectiveness, state your reward intention beforehand. Tell yourself, after I finish these 20 math problems, I will play 5 minutes of my favorite game. This commitment strengthens the mental link between effort and reward. Remember, the goal is to build a habit, so consistency is more important than the size of the reward. This strategy is often referred to as positive reinforcement, a cornerstone of behavioral psychology. Think of it as creating a dopamine loop, where the anticipation of the reward helps you start studying, and the reward itself solidifies the habit. You are essentially tricking your brain into loving study time. An advanced technique is called habit stacking, where you pair a new desired habit, like studying, with an existing habit you already do, and then apply the immediate reward. For instance, after I brush my teeth, I will study for 30 minutes, then I get to check social media. By strategically incorporating immediate rewards into your study routine, you are not just getting through tasks, you are actively reprogramming your brain to view studying as a positive and fulfilling activity. This approach transforms the daunting chore of learning into a series of achievable steps, each celebrated with a small win. It is about making the journey of building study habits genuinely enjoyable, leading to greater consistency, reduced procrastination, and ultimately, more effective learning. You are building a powerful system that works with your brain, not against it.